This video I will explain using extension how to translate any page instantly. When you visit websites, you might sometimes find pages written in different language. Instead of copying and pasting text into translator, you can use browser extension that instantly translate the entire page for you. An extension is a small tool that you can add to your browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, to give it extra features. Now we will see how it works. You have to install translation extension. For example, Google Translate or Microsoft Translator. Once installed, the extension shows up as a small icon near the top of your browser. If you open the page in another language, you simply click the extension icon. The extension will translate the whole page instantly into the language you choose, such as English. Why this is useful? Saves time compared to copying and pasting text into translation websites. Helps you to read news articles or websites from any country. Great for students, travelers, and anyone learning a new language. Now we will see how to install it. In Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, go to the web store and search for Google Translate. In case of Firefox, go to add-on stores, then search for translator add-ons. In case of Safari, search for the translation extension in the App Store. Then you can find the extension and then you can click on add or install and the extension will appear in your browser. Once extension is installed, visit on any page written in another language, click on the translation extension icon, select the language you want, for example English, and the page will change instantly into the particular language. Here I have opened Google Chrome browser, search for Chrome Web Store, open Chrome Web Store link, search for Google Translate extension, click on add to Chrome. The extension is successfully added. Here you can see. Here you can see. I am opening the page which is in Hindi and here you can see. If you want to convert to English, click on this. If you want to choose another language, say Arabic, click on this. It is translated. Now it is translated to Tamil language. Now we will see safety tips. You have to only install extension from the official browser store. Keep the extension updated so it works correctly. If you don't use it often, you can turn it off or remove it to keep your browser clean. In summary, a translation extension is the easiest way to read any website in your own language instantly. So what you have to do is you have to install the extension, open a foreign page, click the extension to translate. It is fast, simple and very useful for anyone browsing the internet.